Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have this mystery Morphe box in a collab with a giveaway. What? Do you want to know what all this is all about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my Morphe mystery box just arrived, and I'm doing this in a collab with my girl, Abby from ABBADABBS. If you're not already following her, please go check her out. I will link her channel and her video down below in the description box. She is amazing, and I just love her. So if you're not already, I would greatly appreciate it, and she would too, if you go and check her out, subscribe while you're there. You won't regret it because she's amazing. So we thought it would be a fun idea to do a collab with this because I got this Morphe box and she got one too. They had two different sizes. She got one size. The one that she purchased was $35 and it has a $51 value. The one that I purchased was $50 and it's supposed to have a $101 value. So at least you can see what I got in mine. You could pop on over, you can see what the other box is all about. She's gonna have a giveaway on her channel. I'm gonna have a giveaway on my channel, and I will explain to you how to enter and what's all involved once I open this. So we thought this would be so much fun. Again, you guys can see both variations of the box, and there's gonna be two winners, one from my channel and one from hers. So stay tuned for those instructions to follow. So let's go ahead and get into this. Again, this was the bigger box. This one is the 9-piece face and eye collection, and it's supposed to have 9 pieces, 9 different items in here, and it's their mystery box. And I can't wait to see what's in here because the only thing with Morphe I have is one highlighting palette, and then I have a few eyeshadow palettes, and that's pretty much it. So I'm really excited to see what else that they have to offer. And some of these products may or may not be in the giveaway. You're not gonna know. So let's go ahead and get in here and see what we have. Ooh, I see a palette. Okay, so that's what it looks like when you first open her up. And let's go ahead and go with the biggest thing that I'm noticing. This is a 35R. It says ready, set, gold. I'm not into golds, but if there's more brown tones in here, then I'm probably gonna love it. So here's what the outside packaging looks like. Again, this is the 35R, and I don't have this one. So let's see. There's the packaging. And on the inside, okay, no problem. So I see where they're gonna be calling it the gold because of, and I think this is really neat. All of this side is shimmers and all of these are mattes. I don't think I've seen one of their palettes be split like that. But here is all of the different colors, and these 3 right here are all like shimmers, and then all 4 of these are all like mattes. So you do have browns, earth tones, there's some golds in this area here. So I can see where they're getting the gold, ready, set, gold. But I have all of these brown tones that I'm really excited because browns are my comfort zone. So I'm actually liking that palette, you guys, and that's way too many to swatch. But there's the entire palette, and I think this would be pretty good for anybody that if you were to have purchased this mystery box. So that is amazing. I like that. So there's item number 1, already starting off to an amazing start. Then we have is a set of lashes. So there's some Morphe eyelashes, and it says Posh. Then we have a lip gloss. And let's see, this is in the color Frosé. That's what it looks like. It looks like F and then Rosé. So I think it's Frosé. Let's see. Oh, that's interesting packaging. It says Morphe, and then it has like this little tilt, and there's an M on it. That is different. I like that package. And then when you open her up, that is just like a slight gloss. It's glossy. And you're not gonna see the color because you're not gonna see the color. It's just a straight gloss. So that's really nice. Again, I don't have anything other than the things that I said from Morphe, so it feels nice on my lips. That is nice. So we have a lip gloss, and there's I mean, it looks like it's pink in the package, but really what comes out is just like almost a straight clear gloss with a slight pink tinge to it, but you can't see any pink on my lips. So I actually like that. So there's that. Then we have is a lip crown, and there's that. I almost said by Morphe. Who else would it be from? This whole box is Morphe. And this is called Lilas, Lylas. Lias, I'm not quite sure. And then there's that. So that must be the color. And there's that. That is a very pretty color. It looks kind of rosy. So that's cool. So we have that. Then we have another lip product, and we just got this. I think it was an Ipsy, and it was the same color. Here's Morphe. And this is a red, and some of you guys are like, you gotta try it. But it has like the same lid. There's the Morphe. And there is the red, and it has the M on the actual lipstick as well. Their packaging is really cute. Really cute. So there's that guy. Then we have is Blushing Babes Pop of Pink Blush Trio. And then let's see what colors are inside. So this looks just like the palette, but just a small version. How cute. There is a mirror on the top. And then here are the colors. Very pretty. Very pretty. So far, almost everything in here would be for anybody's skin tone if you actually did purchase this. So I kind of like that because the blush has 3 different colors. It's a good combination. The lip products are a good combination, even though you do have that bright red. But even if you saved it for the holidays or special occasions, that would be a good thing. Then it looks like the last things we have in here are 3 different brushes. So this one says R14 round contour brush. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with these, so I'm not gonna open them. But here is the round contour brush. Then this one is R39 tapered blender brush. Not a blender blush, blender brush. So there's that. And then this one is an R34 deluxe blender brush. And there's that. So that's what came in this box. Again, I paid $50. It's supposed to have $101 value. We got the 3 different brushes. We have the red Morphe lipstick. We have the lip crayon. We have the lip gloss. We have the blush palette, the eyelashes, and then this big old eyeshadow palette. So all in all, I think this was a really good box. And plus, like I said, it's pretty good for anybody's skin tone. So if you would have purchased it, it's not like they're just sending you all the crap products that are just sitting there and they're trying to get rid of. It seems like they actually put some thought in this and did specific items that was actually tailored for pretty much anybody that would have gotten it, and I do appreciate that. So I'm really happy with this box. And again, this is the bigger one. So if you haven't seen Abby's video, then definitely pop on over to her channel so you can see what the smaller one is, and then you can enter into her giveaway there as well, because we're both going to have one winner, one on my channel and one on hers. So if you are interested in the giveaway, then here is all of the details. So if you are interested in hearing all of the details about the giveaway, then I'll go ahead and let you know right now. So we thought it would be really cool that since this was a mystery box from Morphe, that we're gonna do a mystery box for our giveaway. So it's going to be a beauty mystery box, and that's all that we're going to say. It's going to be a mystery. So we're not gonna show you guys what's going to be in the giveaway. Normally I do that, but we thought it'd be so cool to do a mystery box. So she's gonna have a mystery box on her channel. I'm gonna have a mystery box on my channel. The rules are you need to be subscribed to both of us. So subscribe to my channel, pop on over to ABBADABBS and subscribe to her channel. You need to leave a comment on both of our videos. So down below in the comment section, leave me a comment down below and put the words done, so I know you did and you are subscribed to now, both of us. And then let me know what your favorite item was from this box. Just because I'm just kind of curious to know if you would have received this box, what your favorite item would have been. You must give us both a like on our video. And again, you must be subscribed to both of our channels. You must have a United States address for us to ship them to help us cut down on shipping fees. And you must be over the age of 18 or have a legal parent or guardian enter in for you. That is it. Simple as we do all of our giveaways like normal. So be subscribed to both of us, like both of our videos, leave one comment down below, put the word done, and then let me know what your favorite item is if you would have received this box, just because I want to know. And that is it. This will run for 2 weeks. Down below in the description box, it'll be all of the official rules. I will have one winner on my channel, one winner on her channel, but we will be making sure that you are both subscribed to both of our channels, and it will go for 2 weeks. So this will end on the 1st, January 1st of 2020. What? 2020. On January 1st, this will end at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then the winner will be notified after the 1st. I will use a random comment picker to choose the comment. Again, I will then make sure that you did say done and you did do both the roles on both channels, and that you did tell me what your favorite item is in this box. And if that is all done and you all check out, then I will comment to your comment. I will reply to your comment telling you congratulations, you are the winner. You have 48 hours to contact me back. If within those 48 hours you do not contact me back, then a new winner will be chosen, and that new winner will still have 48 hours, so on and so forth, until I get a confirmed win. She will do the same on her channel. So that is how this is going to work. I'm really excited, for one, to do a collab with her because I just love her. For another, I just thought this would be so fun to do since we both got these mystery boxes, and then to do mystery boxes for you guys. I think we came up with a really good idea. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this. Comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this box? Oh, and only one comment with the word done and telling me which item, because I want it to be fair, that one entry per username per channel. So don't put done this and this, done this and this, done this and this, because that's not fair to everybody else who is following the rules. One comment that has the word done in it. You can leave as many comments as you want, just don't have it be your entry into the giveaway. And that is it, you guys. That is all. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.